What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to unbox the new Verdict by Cold Steel. This is the budget friendly version, so let's take a look at it. This is the budget version, so this is got the 4116 steel. The upper version from this, which is around $100, has the OS 10A. This has the GFN scales, so your composite plastic scales basically, where the upper version comes with your G10. Get this like right here. It's a smaller box than I was figuring. Sometimes it's really hard to tell. Sometimes Cold Steels, I've seen, when you get them in hand, they're either bigger or smaller than you expect. Okay, the Spidey flick on the first one there. Pretty good. That's good. Yeah. Alright. Action, not too bad overall. I mean, it'll break in. So, like I said, this is it's not a tiny knife, but it's definitely small for Cold Steel, which is good if you're not looking for something super huge. Fits good in the hand. The scales are okay. Like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of composite plastic scales. I think really it's just companies kind of chintzing around, personally, in my opinion. Got a ever so slight concurve there. A little bit of contouring. Just a slight, tiny little bit. And, it's got some texture to it, but it still could be slippery if you get sweaty and wet. So that's kind of what I don't like about them. But got a deep carry pocket clip. Could use to have some recessed screws. That would make it a little bit more of a bonus. But that's a nice pocket clip for Cold Steel. Cold Steel tends to have some pretty big, ugly pocket clips that are not deep carry and are kind of annoying and ugly. So it's an improvement for sure. But yeah, for 50 bucks, yes, I could expect a little bit more. It's got a nice Stonewash, Tanto blade, got that nice secondary tip right there. Just what we would expect from a budget Cold Steel. So, yeah, overall, not too shabby. I'm definitely excited to get the upper version in the G10 and the OS 10A. I'm a little more excited for that one. So, but it will be nice to put the two against each other and see how I feel about them both, and carrying this one and see how it breaks in so far. Not too bad, 50 bucks. It cost me a little bit more because I did have it shipped faster so I could get this video out, but other than that, yeah, 50 bucks, it's okay. It's not I wouldn't say it's a rock home or anything like that. I mean, if a little bit better blade steel would have been nice. But other than that, that's it for today, guys. That is the new Verdict by Cold Steel. We will see you next time. Have a great day.